Greetings, everybody. Just a quick video showing a few things I got in just minutes ago, actually, from Monteverdi that I've been waiting a while for. Monza Calligraphy sets, brass Invincia. Well, you'll see in the rest of the video. Just on a personal note, because I mentioned this on my Facebook business page yesterday, which will be linked below, is that I reached a personal milestone yesterday, having lost a little over 100 pounds. Not quickly. Took me several years because I was not fully diligent. There were some ups and there were some downs, but I finally achieved that first goal through some dietary changes, smaller portions, not eating within about 2 or 3 hours of going to bed, and going to the gym 2 or 3 times a week, which has really been really terrific. So I just wanted to pass on that bit of news. So just so you'll know that I can, will soon be returning to my modeling career, which will take precedence over selling pens, obviously. One downside of this weight loss has been, especially in the last month or two, I've really developed a turkey neck, which I'm not too thrilled about. That might have something to do with age as well, but the weight loss definitely accelerated that process. Damn it. Anyway, the rest of the video will not be about my weight loss, but about new pens available to you, which I think will probably be of much more interest. So, see you in a moment. All right, let's take a look at some items from Monteverdi that just arrived via FedEx. I've been waiting for these for actually almost 2 months. The first is a Invincia that's not new, but it's new to me as I've never carried it. And that's the all brass version. Really a gorgeous pen. And comes with a black nib. And of course, in the 3 sizes: 1.1 millimeter stub, medium or M, and F or fine. But as I always state, I find that Monteverdi and Conklin nibs tend to run a little small as far as the line they lay down. So an M to me is like a typical Western fine, and the F is like a typical Western extra fine. So the Invincia has been Monteverdi's flagship pen for well over a decade, and they keep coming out with just terrific new finishes. So that's the first thing. The second is, and I'm excited about this, the Monza Calligraphy set. And let me just quick read what they have written here on the sleeve. Perfect for discovering the fine visual expression of words. Each calligraphy set is individually packaged with 1 fountain pen body, 3 removable front sections, 3 stainless steel calligraphy nibs, 3 standard piston ink converters, and 2 ink cartridges. The stainless steel nibs included with each set come in 1 millimeter, 1.5 millimeter, and 2 millimeter sizes. And then you can see the little graphic of the difference produced by each. And opening up this nice pen case, the calligraphy set uses the demonstrator version of the Monza. So you'll always see what color ink that you're using. And can't see through the camera. Maybe you can see which size this is, but it's one of the three. I know that. And I've been using my Monza for months as an eyedropper because of this little ring here, which has, at least in my experience, made it totally leak-free. And as you can see, we have the other two nib sizes, converters, and the ink cartridges. So I think, like the Monza itself, this Monza Calligraphy set is going to be really, really popular. And finally, speaking of Monza Calligraphy set, we have the Deluxe Calligraphy set by Monza. Again, the 1mm, 1.5mm, and 2mm metallic stub nibs. And if I can get this out of the box, which I probably can do. Okay. Taking off the outer sleeve, here is the very nice deluxe box for the contents, which include, again, the clear Monza. This is cellophane, so I can't show it to you, but it's the same as what I just showed you, with the 3 nibs, the 3 converters, and a couple of ink cartridges. But included in this are 4 of Monteverdi's new and very popular inks. So we have Cheroit, which is kind of a purple. Fire Opal, which is a gorgeous orange. Onyx, which I believe is kind of like a black. And Sapphire. And these are all 30 milliliter in size. And also included is Monteverdi's fountain pen flush for cleaning ink out of your fountain pens, which is a great addition. So, really a terrific set, the Deluxe set. Great for gift giving to others, or, like most of us, to yourself. So that's all that's new. I haven't taken out the nibs to write with them yet as far as size is concerned, but I have a Invincia Deluxe here in carbon fiber, which has a 1.5mm Monteverdi stub nib. So this kind of falls a little bit in between the 1mm and the 1.5mm in the Monza set. But this has always been one of my favorite nibs. And still is. And this is, what is this? Private Reserve Tangerine Dream. So that's what I got in today. Hope you're as excited about them as I am. These are still available, of course. But the new brass version, this is called the Invincia Deluxe. So it has a slightly different profile and clip, but largely the same type of pen and model, the Invincia and the Invincia Deluxe. Thanks for watching. Let me go play with these now.